California's housing market has tested the patience of even the most committed residents. High prices, rising insurance costs, and stubborn mortgage rates have made every decision feel heavy. Yet in 2026, a quiet but important change is underway. Home prices are dropping right now in 10 notable cities across the state. While California's coastal markets continue to hold strong, recent data reports reveal a clear softening in several inland and Central Valley communities. Higher inventory, elevated borrowing costs, and insurance pressures are finally creating measurable adjustments. These shifts matter deeply for families hopping to buy, homeowners thinking of selling, and investors searching for the right moment. Number 10 is Bakersfield. Sellers here are facing a market that no longer responds as quickly as it once did. Homes are staying listed longer, and a growing number of properties now carry price reductions. Steady inventory buildup and slower growth in the energy sector appear to be the main drivers. For many families priced out of bigger cities, this creates a rare chance to negotiate seriously. But the situation becomes more noticeable when we look at Fresno. In this Central Valley city, bidding wars have largely disappeared. Many longtime homeowners are surprised to see buyers now asking for concession. Rising wildfire insurance premiums have increased monthly ownership costs significantly, cooling demand from both local buyers and out-of-state movers. However, the adjustment feels different again in Modesto. Local agents report that some properties are selling only after multiple price cuts, something rarely seen in recent years. Manufacturing job uncertainty and higher interest rates have made buyers more selective. This softening is drawing attention from investors looking for rental properties at more reasonable entry points. Further south in the Inland Empire, Riverside tells its own story. Sellers who once expected fast offers are now offering closing cost help or repairs to attract serious buyers. Long commutes to Los Angeles combined with persistently high insurance rates have shifted the balance, giving buyers more room to breathe. This recalibration hits close to home in San Bernardino. Many pandemic-era buyers are now facing longer selling periods. The region's vulnerability to wildfire risk and changing migration trends have contributed to this cooling. For first-time buyers and relocating families, these changes are opening doors that felt firmly shut just a couple of years ago. Moving north, Sacramento presents a more complex picture. Even as the state capital, it is not immune. Recent figures show median prices easing as some government-related sectors slow and remote workers reconsider their housing choices. Buyers are taking their time with inspections and negotiations, a luxury many had forgotten was possible. The trend sharpens noticeably in Stockton. Projections for 2026 suggest one of the more significant localized drops on this list. An oversupply of homes built in previous years, along with sustained high mortgage rates, has left sellers more willing to meet the market. Cash buyers and those with strong down payments are quietly finding real advantages here. One of the more striking adjustments is happening in Lancaster in the Antelope Valley. Inventory has climbed sharply, and price reductions have become routine. Distance from major employment centers and ongoing insurance cost challenges have created genuine buyers' market conditions in several neighborhoods. Retirees and young families are starting to explore options here that were unrealistic before. Nearby Palmdale shows a similar pattern, though with its own characteristics. Many properties are only selling after several price adjustments. Some owners who bought at the peak are choosing to accept current offers rather than continue waiting. This reset is giving cautious buyers confidence to move forward. And number 1 on our list is Ukiah in Mendocino County. Here the correction has been more pronounced than in most other cities. Limited local job growth and very high insurance premiums have accelerated the softening. For those seeking more affordable living within California, Ukiah now offers one of the clearest opportunities, along with important reminders about evaluating long-term local risks. These 10 cities show that California's housing market in 2026 is not moving in a single direction. While some areas remain expensive and competitive, these communities are experiencing a meaningful adjustment driven by supply, costs, and changing buyer behavior. For anyone considering a move, whether buying, selling, or planning ahead, it has never been more important to look closely at local conditions rather than statewide headlines. As these trends continue to unfold, they may offer early signals of how other parts of the state could evolve in the coming years.